Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Wix Studio dynamic pages. Dynamic pages are where Wix stops being a simple website builder and starts acting like a real content system. Instead of creating one page at a time, you design one layout, and Wix automatically generates multiple pages using your data. When you begin, open your Wix editor. From the left-hand sidebar, click on CMS. This is where all your structured content lives, your collections, which act like databases. Inside CMS, go to Collections. These collections store your data in rows and columns. For example, each row equals one item, like a product, blog post, or listing. Each column equals a field, like title, image, description. Your dynamic pages depend entirely on this data. Next, choose one of your collections. Click on the three dots. This opens advanced options for that collection. From the drop-down, select Add Dynamic Page. Now you'll see three options: 1. List page, 2. Item page, 3. Blank page. For this case, you're selecting Item page and clicking Add to Site. This is the core concept of dynamic pages. Item page creates a page for each item in your collection. Example, one page per product. List page shows all items in one page. Example, product catalog. Blank page, fully custom dynamic setup. You chose Item page, which is the most common starting point. Once you click Add to Site, Wix generates a dynamic page layout connected to your collection. You'll now see a new page in your editor. It looks like a normal page, but it's actually a template. This one page represents many pages. You need to make sure every element, text, images, etc., is connected to your CMS data. For example, title connected to name field, image connected to image field, description connected to description field. You do this by clicking on an element and linking it to a dataset, which connects the page to your collection. Once everything is connected, click on Preview. This allows you to see how the dynamic page behaves. What you'll notice in Preview, the content changes based on the item. Each item has its own version of the page. The layout stays the same. Same design, different data. To summarize, creating dynamic pages in Wix Studio involves accessing the CMS section, selecting a collection, and using the Add Dynamic Page option from the Collections menu. You then choose the type of dynamic page to create, such as an item page, and add it to your site. Once the page is created, it acts as a template that pulls data from your collection. To make it functional, each element on the page must be connected to the appropriate data field through a dataset. After setting up these connections, you can preview the page to see how it dynamically updates for each item in your collection. While the process is straightforward, the effectiveness of dynamic pages depends on proper data structure and correct connections. When used correctly, dynamic pages allow you to scale your website efficiently by generating multiple pages from a single design. And that's how to create dynamic pages in Wix Studio. This is one of the most powerful features you can learn because it completely changes how you build websites. Instead of working harder, you start working smarter, letting data do the heavy lifting. Don't rush it though. Take your time understanding collections and connections. That's where most people get stuck. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.